adding down some, chlorine down on the floor, try to kill the smell. I've cleaned everything now. Today I did a little bit of work upstairs. I can show I moved everything out of that room. I don't know how much you'll be able to see. Probably nothing, but that's okay. Yeah, so it was fun. I spent some time in here. You might be able to see that I've got those on the porch lights. They're wired, and there's more over there that are all wired. So that's not quite all the way done, but at least those are done. It was a good day to be in there because it's pretty cold. This wiring up here is still being a pain. Not sure what's going on with it, but slowly we are getting somewhere. Some cleaning, some electrical. Yeah, so I think it's a good shape. I didn't get a chance to show these are some of the siding that I've stained. So that's going to go on the outside of the porch out there. So some of it's dripping a little, but hopefully it's okay. But overall, like I said, it was a good day. And we're slowly getting there. Just harder now because of all the school and everything else that I have going on. But I hope you all have a good day, and I will talk to you later. I forgot to mention that I also got some screens from Facebook Marketplace, and these are going to go up here and kind of hold up in that spot right there. So I'll have 4 screens going across here, so that'll work out nice. And final right there. Problem is, I also have a little plexiglass, so they can make this into kind of a 3-season room here. So that should be nice. The electric is getting ready to be run. Those are the lights that I wired up today. Problem I had is that they had only 3 of this size screen, which is the size I needed, and then they had 5 of these bigger ones. But I was actually able to take this screen, which is one of the bigger ones, pulled out the screen, and you can kind of see where I cut it and got it to fit, and it's just about perfect now. So that one fits just about perfect with those. So just put the screen back in. So I'll have my 4 screens, and I'll do one of those for the front door, I think, too. So it works out, all worked out. Got a nice rainy day here today, so I couldn't do anything outside, but I got a lot of stuff done inside. So again, have a great day.